This is a 2011 BMW 535. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a Convenience Package, a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a low tire pressure indicator, Dakota leather upholstery, cornering lights, adaptive brake lights, and automatic collision notification. The following features are also included: a steering wheel with memory settings, cruise control, a rear window defroster, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, rear seat child-proof door locks, a service level indicator, traction control, mirrors with memory presets, and this vehicle has fewer than 26,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.